Oh, March evening, amber sky, Lakeland Hills standing tall nearby, Kendal bypass stretching clean, like a ribbon cut through painted green. Boots on pegs and hands on wheel, two machines built out of steel. A silent nod, a breath held tight, as daylight leans into the night. Engines wake with a hungry sound, echoes roll across the ground. Down the Kendal bypass, side by side, where the bells watch over every ride. It's a Yamaha scream and a Z4 roar, two wild hearts settle in the score. Golden evening burning fast, chasing shadows that never last. Saturday fire in the Lakeland air, speed like this is a reckless prayer. Yamaha cuts with a razor cry, dancing fast as the world slips by, lighting fierce like a shooting flame. Every second a daring game, but the Beamer digs with a deeper might, gripping hard as it holds the fight. Six-cylinder thunder, low and mean, a silver blur in a fading scene. White lines flicker, pulse insane, no time left to stop and think. Down the Kendal bypass, side by side, where the bells watch over every ride. It's a Yamaha scream and a Z4 roar, two wild hearts settle in the star. Golden evening burning fast, chasing shadows that never last. Saturday fire in the Lakeland air, speed like this is a reckless prayer. Stone walls blur and the hedgerows fade, every choice in a second made. Windermere breeze just out of sight, as day surrenders to velvet night. For one long stretch they're wheel to wheel, balanced on what they dare to feel. No past, no future, only now, an unspoken, unbroken vow. Then a shift, a surge, a moment says it all. Down the Kendal bypass into dusk's embrace, two fading ghosts in a high-speed chase through the Lake District calm where the silence grows. Still haunted by the rush it knows, no finish line, just echoes back of rubber fire and endless track. Saturday night carved deep and wide in the soul